This is the National Weather Service office here in Gaylord, Michigan, with your morning hazardous weather briefing for Thursday, June 20th of 2013. Well, we're still looking for several rounds of thunderstorms that are possible across all of northern Michigan for Friday through Wednesday of next work week, so several days here. Now the impacts, the predictability is still a little bit too low to assess the severe weather potential with these thunderstorms, but things will start to become a little bit more clear over the next couple of days. But starting off with the current weather map, the high pressure that was over us for the last couple of days has moved off to the east. However, we still have a lot of dry air hanging around the region. We're going to start off sunny in many areas of northern Michigan. But we do have a cold front that is slowly sagging south from Ontario and towards Lake Superior. And there is a band of showers that is drifting across eastern Lake Superior at this point, with another band that's touching off in western Lake Superior. Now further back to the west across Montana and the Dakotas, there's an organizing area of low pressure and a distinct warm front that stretches back into far western Iowa. And there was a pocket of showers and thunderstorms associated along and to the north of this front. As we move into tonight, the frontal boundary will drop in across eastern upper and across Minnesota. That's associated with low pressure that'll be lifting through North Dakota, and we see here that precipitation chances will be increasing as we go into the overnight hours. In the meantime, back across the heart of the country in Nebraska, there's another area of low pressure with another defined warm front that will start to lift northeast. And Friday night into Saturday morning, that front will make it all the way through northern Michigan as the low pressure works into the Dakotas again. This is a time when the rainfall is really going to start to increase as far as our chances of seeing rain. A good period of showers and thunderstorms is being assessed at this point, rolling into northern Michigan. Now this front is going to be hanging around for quite some time. Here we see Sunday morning draped right across lower Michigan. And as we step all the way up to Wednesday morning now, it'll take that long before the front actually drops to our south and east as a cold front and things start to dry out with high pressure, as we see here in Ontario, working into the region for Thursday. Well, since this front is going to be around us for quite some time, we have quite a bit of rainfall that is anticipated across much of the north-central part of the country, including the Great Lakes. In excess of 3 to 5 inches of rain will be possible, and that's mainly directed across Minnesota and Wisconsin. And as far as severe weather goes, again, it is pretty difficult to assess the details, but we're not going to be in any risk of severe weather at this point. That's the yellow shaded area that's out to our west. And this is for day 2, which will be Friday and Friday night, and this is for Saturday and Saturday night. And the green shade is just general thunderstorm activity. So at this point, no severe weather is expected, but as we work into the latter part of the weekend and even into early next work week, that could be a little bit different. Now those details again will become a little bit more clear over the next couple of days. Well, the main title here, warmer weather returning and a little bit more muggy as we go into the next several days. High temperatures will be a little bit warmer again than they were yesterday, with everybody solidly in the 70s and a few places out there touching off in the lower 80s. Quite a bit of sunshine out there for lower Michigan. However, there should be some added cloudiness across eastern upper that may thin out in the afternoon, but those clouds are going to kind of hold temperatures back into the lower 70s for the most part. And again, there is a small chance for some rain showers that comes in across mainly Chippewa County for this morning and through the day and maybe even into this evening. But it's nothing of significance, and no heavy rain is expected with those showers. Now, wrapping up the hazards outlook, again, the several rounds of thunderstorms that are expected across northern Michigan Friday through Wednesday of next work week. And again, those severe details will be coming more clear over the next couple of days. And that'll wrap up this hazardous weather briefing. Please come back for our next scheduled broadcast at around 5 o'clock this afternoon. And thank you for listening to your National Weather Service here in Gaylord, Michigan.